Forbesganj is a town situated in the Araria district of Bihar, India. This quaint town is known for its unique blend of history and culture. It's located in the northeastern part of the state and is close to the border of Nepal, making it a significant point of cross-border interaction and trade. The town is named after a British official, Sir Forbes, and has a rich history dating back to the British colonial era. The remnants of this era can still be seen in the architecture and old buildings scattered around the town. Forbesganj is primarily known for its agricultural activities and serves as a local trade center for the surrounding rural areas. The fertile lands around the town support a variety of crops, making it a bustling hub for agricultural trade. It acts as a hub for farmers to sell their produce and plays a vital role in the economy of the Araria district. The local markets are always vibrant with activity, reflecting the town's economic vitality. The history of Forbesganj is intertwined with the history of Bihar and the British Raj. The town has witnessed numerous historical events that have shaped its identity over the years. The town witnessed significant changes during the struggle for Indian independence. Many local heroes emerged from this region, contributing to the national movement. After independence, Forbesganj became a part of the state of Bihar. The town began to develop its own identity, separate from its colonial past. Over the years, Forbesganj has grown and developed, remaining an important agricultural center in Bihar. Modern agricultural practices have been adopted, enhancing productivity and sustainability. The town is also witnessing improvements in infrastructure and connectivity. New roads and construction projects are underway, making it easier for people and goods to move in and out of Forbesganj. The people of Forbesganj are known for their resilience and hard work. Their dedication to their land and community continues to drive the town's progress and prosperity. Agriculture forms the backbone of Forbesganj's economy, providing sustenance and livelihood to a majority of its residents. The town is located in a fertile region of Bihar, blessed with rich soil and favorable climatic conditions, ideal for cultivating a variety of crops, ranging from staple grains to diverse vegetables. The primary crops grown in and around Forbesganj include rice, maize, wheat, and vegetables, which are essential for both local consumption and trade. The farmers of Forbesganj play a crucial role in the town's prosperity, dedicating their lives to the cultivation of these vital crops. Working tirelessly from dawn to dusk, they ensure a bountiful harvest that sustains the community. The local markets are vibrant hubs of activity where farmers bring their produce to sell, creating a lively atmosphere filled with the sights and sounds of trade. The agricultural sector in Forbesganj provides employment opportunities for a significant portion of the population, supporting families and fostering community growth. The town's economy thrives on the income generated from agriculture, which is the lifeblood of Forbesganj. The agricultural produce from Forbesganj not only meets the local demand, but is also transported to neighboring towns and cities, contributing to the wider regional economy. The fertile land and hard-working farmers make Forbesganj a vital contributor to Bihar's agricultural output, ensuring a steady supply of food and resources. The town plays a significant role in ensuring food security in the region, making it indispensable to the surrounding areas. Forbesganj's agricultural significance is deeply intertwined with the identity and livelihood of its people, shaping their way of life and future. Forbesganj is well connected to other parts of Bihar and neighboring states through a network of roads. The town serves as a regional trade center, facilitating the exchange of goods and services between Forbesganj and its surrounding areas. The primary mode of transport in Forbesganj is roadways, with regular bus services connecting the town to major cities like Araria, Purnia, and Kishanganj. The town has a well-established transportation system that enables the smooth flow of goods and people. Recent infrastructure developments have further improved connectivity in Forbesganj. The construction of new roads and highways has reduced travel time and enhanced accessibility. These improvements have had a positive impact on trade and commerce in the town, attracting new businesses to Forbesganj and making it easier for existing businesses to expand their operations. The town is gradually transforming into a bustling commercial hub. Forbesganj is home to several educational institutions that cater to the needs of its growing population. These institutions range from primary schools to higher education colleges, ensuring that students of all ages have access to quality education. The town recognizes the importance of education in empowering its citizens. By investing in education, Forbesganj aims to create a knowledgeable and skilled workforce that can contribute to the town's development. One of the notable institutions is Forbesganj College, which provides higher education opportunities to the youth of Forbesganj and its surrounding areas. The college has become a cornerstone of the community, attracting students from various backgrounds. Forbesganj College offers a variety of undergraduate courses in arts, allowing students to explore their creative talents and develop their artistic skills. Science, where students engage in hands-on experiments and research projects, and commerce, which prepares students for careers in business and finance. The college has a team of qualified and experienced faculty members who are dedicated to providing quality education to their students. These educators are committed to fostering a supportive and challenging academic environment. The institution strives to create a conducive learning environment where students can collaborate and learn from each other. Group study sessions and outdoor classes are common, promoting a sense of community and teamwork. In recent years, Forbesganj College has taken steps to incorporate technology into its teaching methods. This includes the use of laptops and tablets in the classroom, as well as online resources and digital tools. The college has introduced e-learning classes to provide students with access to digital resources and online learning platforms. These initiatives have made learning more interactive and accessible. This initiative aims to enhance the learning experience and prepare students for the digital age. By integrating technology into the curriculum, Forbesganj College is ensuring that its students are well equipped for the future. The educational institutions in Forbesganj play a vital role in shaping the future of the town's youth, providing them with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in their chosen fields. Extracurricular activities also play a significant role in student development, equipping them with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in their chosen fields. Students are encouraged to participate in various projects and celebrate their achievements, fostering a sense of accomplishment and pride. Education is seen as a pathway to progress and development in Forbesganj. The town's commitment to education is evident in the success of its students and the positive impact they have on the community. Section 5. Cultural Heritage. Forbesganj has a rich cultural heritage that is reflected in its traditions, festivals, and the warmth of its people. The town is known for its close-knit community. People from different backgrounds live together in harmony. The cultural landscape of Forbesganj is adorned with various places of worship. These places reflect the religious diversity of the town. People from different faiths coexist peacefully and celebrate their festivals with joy and enthusiasm. One of the most popular festivals celebrated in Forbesganj is Chhath Puja. This festival is dedicated to the sun god and is celebrated with great fervor. People gather on the banks of rivers and ponds to offer prayers to the setting and rising sun. The cultural traditions of Forbesganj are passed down from one generation to the next. These traditions are an integral part of the town's identity and are cherished by its people. The cultural heritage of Forbesganj adds vibrancy and richness to the lives of its residents. Section 6. Recent developments. In recent years, Forbesganj has witnessed significant developments. These developments are transforming the town's landscape and creating new opportunities for its residents. One of the key areas of progress is infrastructure. The government has undertaken various projects to improve road connectivity, enhance power supply, and upgrade public amenities. These initiatives aim to create a more conducive environment for businesses and improve the quality of life for residents. The establishment of new industries and businesses has created employment opportunities for the local population. The growth of the industrial sector is contributing to the town's economic development. It is also attracting investment and boosting trade. Furthermore, Forbesganj is witnessing a surge in construction activities. New residential and commercial complexes are being built to accommodate the town's growing population and cater to the increasing demand for housing and business spaces. Section 7. Challenges and opportunities. Despite the progress made in recent years, Forbesganj still faces certain challenges. One of the significant challenges is the lack of adequate healthcare facilities. The town needs more hospitals and healthcare centers to cater to the healthcare needs of its growing population. Another challenge is the issue of unemployment, particularly among the educated youth. While new industries are emerging, there is a need for more job opportunities to accommodate the aspirations of the young generation. Despite these challenges, Forbesganj has immense potential for growth and development. The town's strategic location, fertile land, and hard-working population are valuable assets. With continued investment in infrastructure, education, and healthcare, Forbesganj can overcome its challenges and emerge as a thriving town in Bihar. The government and local authorities are actively working towards addressing the town's challenges and creating a brighter future for its residents. The people of Forbesganj are optimistic about the future and are committed to contributing to the town's progress. Section 8. Conclusion. Forbesganj's future. Forbesganj, with its rich history, agricultural significance, and recent developments, stands at the cusp of a promising future. The town has the potential to become a model of progress and inclusivity. By leveraging its strengths and addressing its challenges, Forbesganj can create a brighter future for its residents and contribute to the overall development of Bihar. The town's journey is a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. As Forbesganj continues to evolve, it is crucial to prioritize sustainable development and ensure that the benefits of progress reach all sections of society. With a shared vision and collective effort, Forbesganj can continue to flourish and prosper in the years to come.